Have you ever tried this golden, crispy and juicy chicken pie at home? Let's dive in and see how to make it. Here I am using thin slices of chicken breast pieces and nicely coating them with the listed ingredients. Once coated well with the spices, we will roast them. Grease the pan with the butter and roast the chicken pieces until golden brown and set aside. To saute vegetables, chop your preferred veggies. Once the roasted chicken cools slightly, use a fork to shred them. In a pan, add oil or butter, then add onion, ginger garlic paste, carrot, celery, capsicum, corn, peas, green chilli. You can add mushroom also or any vegetable of your choice. Add all the listed spices. You can see the spices quantity in the description. Cook until veggies are soft, but they should have a crunch. Now adding chicken stock and pouring corn flour mix, then lots of cheese. If you are really a cheese lover. Simmer until the sauce thickens and finally add the shredded chicken and stir well to combine. Now let's assemble the chicken pie. Pour the chicken mixture into a baking dish. Spread some cheese slices on top of it. I really love lots of cheese. Finally, cover them with puff pastry sheets. Brush the pastry with beaten egg. Bake in preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown and crispy. A golden, crispy and mouth-watering chicken pie made right at home. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time for more delicious recipes. Till then, take care. Bye.